Hey guys! Welcome to Free Tutorial TV. Once again we will discuss about control statement and loop in Python. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Without further delay, let's open Anaconda Navigator. Then launch PyCharm. Wait till it is loading. I am closing the previous project to start with new project. Click on New Project button. Enter the project name as control statement. Go to main.py and delete unwanted lines of code. Let's create a variable x taking an integer input. Enter the number \n. I will use if condition and set a condition of x greater than 10. Enter a colon after statement. Then print entered number is greater than 10 and print the number. Else condition. I will print as entered number is less than 10 and print the entered number x. Run the code using Shift F10 and C in the console section. I am entering number 2. Result is entered number is less than 10 and 2 also printed. From result it is understood that condition is working and automatically exited the application. To enter a value again you need to rerun the application again. Press Shift F10. Enter a value, say 12. Result is entered value is greater than 10 and 12 is also printed alongside. We see that if condition is working. If you want to run the application in infinite loop, we can use a while loop. But we need to break the loop at some time. Otherwise it will be running continuously uninterrupted. In order to interrupt, I will use a condition if x equals 2 then break the loop. In this way it will work. Run using Shift F10. Enter a number. I entered 3 then enter. Result display. And waiting for next entry. I can continue using this application till I enter 2. Now press 1. Now press 15. When press 2 it got break. Condition is used to break the loop. Now we use for loop to do this same activity. For I in range 10. Copy the code and paste in the loop. We can count the loop by printing I for every loop. Print number of loop count and print I. The loop can be break by entering 2 or will continue the uses of application till 10. Run the code using Shift F10. Keep entering the value and see the loop. The loop continue till you click 2. And count is also printing whenever we keep using the application. You can shift the line of code print count before if condition. Then it will print the last count before the loop is break. Same for loop can be used to print number. For I in range 100. Print I. Run this code you will be printing all number till 0 to 99. If you want to print every 5 step then. For I in range of 0, 100, 5. Print the I value. Here in this code the print will start from 0 till 95 and it will print every step of 5. I hope you must be learning something useful today. Please like the video and share and subscribe the channel. We shall see you again in next video. Have a nice day.